I'm making japchae Korean food. Lagay natin yung sauce dito sa my noodles. And then, haluin lang natin. And then, ilagay natin yung mga gulay, onion, mushroom, bell pepper, and green onion. And then, ilagay din natin yung beef. And then, mix natin lahat. Yun, grabe, nakakatakaw. Sarap sana kung may kimchi. Laman kimchi. Alright guys, kain na tayo. Yum! Bye!